Pow! Camera action. Here we are in the studio because Sarah, a friend of mine, Sara,
Hi.
in Slovenia, is going for a wedding. It's actually two weddings.
2 weddings, 24 hours.
2 weddings in one night, in 24 hours. So one is at what time?
At 2.
And now it's 11 o'clock. And the other is?
At 5.
All right. So we need to do makeup that will last forever. If you want your makeup to last long, you need to use baby butt creams because they make your face soft. I'm putting the cream under the eyes as well because Sarah said that foundation usually sticks here in creases. The more you hydrate this part, the more plump it will be. Therefore, the foundation won't go in creases that much. Over the eyes, I went with the cream as well. And now I need to set up this thing so that the eyeshadows will stay on for a long time. And I'm using Yves Saint Laurent's Poudre Compact Enfoncé, lifting the eye. Sarah said that she's crying a lot of happiness on weddings. So in order for the makeup not to melt, I won't go inside, not on the inner rim, not on the waterline, but just here on the upper corner. Blend this like an eyeliner, because if Sarah opens the eye, cuckoo, this part here almost sticks up. If I would be applying something dark here, because she has deep set hooded eyes, dark like this, it would all melt together, especially if dark would be here all over the eye. Starting with white on the start of the eye, because this will lift and make the whole look bubbly, fresh, summer-like. Now, adding color to the eye, going over with light brown. So first I'm tapping it on, and now I'll drag it like this. So up, 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 that I get a gradient from bottom to top. Toast makeup, like burnt toast makeup. Sarah was like, what is this? And it's just that you look like a burnt toast, because that's the colors we're using. Adding depth to the eye. This is what makes the eyes pop. Lifting the brows with white color. So if you want the color to stick on the brows, whether it be pencil or powder, I usually go over with something so that I dry this area. Stippling brush, because I want a thin application, just going over, and then we'll tap it with a beauty blender, and then you just like roll the beauty blender, tap the face with a natural bunny friendly Zao makeup. First is a concealer. I need to apply something that will really stick. Okay, now going over with Touche Éclat, filling in the brows with a powder. That's why we went over with the powder before. First contouring on the cheeks. So I went over with the powder, then this will blend nicely. And I'll go towards her mouth, because she has a nice angled jawline. Just down. The brush will stay in place. Look at that. Contours obviously need to be matte. And it's good if they're taupe, because they're grayish and they look like a shadow. If they're matte also, they look like a shadow. They mustn't bounce light, whereas the blush is made to bounce light, because this is what you want to achieve. Fuller rounded cheeks. Therefore, I applied it here. It's something between pink and orange, so peachy. Tapping it in, because her eyes will pop. Bronzing her forehead. This will bounce light. It has gold in it, like golden crystals. I don't think proper gold. Looks gold to me. Here, photoshopping her face with a concealer. Let's do the lips, just going around on her natural line. Close to the lash line, totally close to the lash line, because I see so many girls doing it on the ends of the lashes and then they just look weird. This is how you do it. First, you start with the white thingy. This adds volume to the lashes, especially on the outer corner. Smells like watermelon. Yeah. Summer lipstick. Ta-ta-ta, don't breathe. When I say 3, when I count to 3, don't breathe. 1, 2, 3. Pow, 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 pow.
So this is it, guys. Hope you like the makeup and tutorial. I'm going to a wedding now and I will send you some pictures. Bye. Ciao, ciao. Hi, one wedding down, one to go. Makeup still flawless. Second wedding done.